sisters, Ya Ali Madad. We, the principals of Central Region Religious Education Center, have come together to wish you all a joyous Navroz Mubarak.
Navroz, which means new day, is a day of transformation and rejuvenation. It signifies the end of winter and the beginning of spring.
According to the hadith of Imam Jafar al-Sadiq, may peace be upon him, it was Navroz when the angel Gabriel came to the Prophet with the first revelation. And it was Navroz when the Prophet declared Imam Ali, may peace be upon him, as the Mawla of the faithful.
Nowruz has been celebrated for over 3,000 years in human history. Today, it is an important festival in many parts of the Middle East, Central Asia, and South Asia, and in some countries, it is observed as public holiday.
In the Fatimid times, the spring festival became the occasion for a great public ceremonial in the city of Cairo, when the Imam Caliph would travel from his palace to the banks of the Nile to preside over a great feast and bestow gifts.
Later, when the Nizari Ismaili Imamat was established in Persia, present-day Iran, the Persian festival of Nowruz became a part of the culture of the Ismaili community.
In the mid-19th century, when Imam Hassan Ali Shah traveled from Iran to India and settled in Mumbai, the Nowruz tradition continued to be observed by the Ismailis of the Indian subcontinent.
Nowruz signifies renewal and rebirth as, with the advent of spring, the earth blossoms again, the leaves turn green and the flowers bloom. Taking this cue from nature, each one of us can reflect and resolve to make this a time of new beginnings.
Nowruz is traditionally a day of togetherness, a time to put on colorful clothes, share food, and laughter. In Tajikistan, for example, youth take part in parades and perform dances. Musicians play traditional musical instruments, and women cook festive foods.
The diverse traditions of Nowruz also include reciting devotional poetry, painting eggs with colorful designs, and setting up a hafseen table displaying 7 foods beginning with the letter Sin, S, which symbolize something good to come in the new year.
Nowruz is also a time to give thanks, to give back to Mother Earth, to our communities, and to our world. We can each do this in our own individual ways by reaching out and helping others, perhaps by a kind word spoken or a good deed done, or by sharing our time and knowledge.
A 17th century Persian poet, Hussein bin Yaqub Shah, writes about the spiritual blessings of Nowruz, addressing himself to the people of insight and the people of virtues whose minds are the treasuries of spiritual gnosis.
It says, O Lord, may blessings abound, for festive Nowruz has arrived. O Lord, may blessings abound, for bounteous joy has arrived. From the path the veil is raised of certainty. The heart has gained awareness. The soul's nightingale sings. O Lord, may blessings abound.
The poet wants us to understand that while the people of exterior forms take Nowruz to be the time when fields are sown, the people of interior meaning realize that this world is the sowing ground for the next world.
Nowruz for our Jamaat is particularly a significant occasion as we come together to receive the blessings of our Imam in the forms of grains and sugars, signifying abundance and prosperity.
The past year has been a challenging time, but in the spirit of Nowruz, let us move forward with hope and faith that better times are ahead.
As we observe Nowruz this year with social distancing protocols, let us find ways to rekindle our faith and our relationship with our families and our communities, as well with the natural world.